Hey, how's it going? So I decided to do a little something different this time with try on. I have this maxi skirt that I bought thrifting, and it's really cute. It's very basic maxi skirt. I really loved the black pattern. I mean, the black background with the pattern on top, and then there's a really cute slit. I would call it your basic, maybe it's a 90s, 2000s mini skirt, maxi skirt. It's a little long because I'm only 4'11", but I'm going to show how I style this a couple of different ways. I have one top, a black top, and a belt. This belt that I'm going to show, I haven't shown this belt before, and I'm going to show that, and then I'm going to show how I make this into a dress, a shorter dress with the belt and like a little sweater, a little cardigan type of moment, for like, a little summer barbecue kind of thing. So anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And thanks so much for following. And hang in there for a minute while I get changed, okay? Bye. Okay, so now I have on this black t-shirt and this black belt. It's got like a stretchy middle part, and this part is sort of like looks leatherish. I say leather-ish because it's not real leather. But I have this over the maxi skirt because I didn't realize the maxi skirt is actually like really loose in the waist. So I just have it up to, it's actually pulled up here because it's almost too long, but it has this cute little slit right here. Give you a little leg. I'm really, really pale right now. I mean, I have like, I'm really like very, very pale. And so this is how I would kind of like, if I was going to like, kind of like a casual wedding, Easter. This is kind of like me on Easter because I don't do a lot of pastels. Sometimes I do pastels, but sometimes, a lot of times, my comfort zone is more black, and black with a little color. I've got it with these, little just comfortable wedge sandals. Not heels aren't too high, just pretty comfortable. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah, there we go. There's a better shot. They're just like little wedgies, little comfort. They're Kenneth Coles actually, and they're very cushion on the inside. I myself am not a fan of this particular strappy look. I prefer lots of little straps, but the shoes that I really want to wear with these, I'm almost able to get in. There was 3 years where I couldn't even put those shoes on, and now I'm almost able to get them on, but they're still a little tight. So it's funny because some people try to work to fit in jeans. I'm working to fit in shoes. And I have a pair of gold metallic boots that I couldn't zip up for 3 years, and now they're almost there, but they're still not quite there yet. So anyway, this is just what I would call almost like the basic look that people are going to think you're going to wear with this, with the maxi skirt, with a little slit, a t-shirt over, just very kind of conventional, cute. I kind of like always I might put a statement necklace with this, but maybe not. Some nights, like if I'm going to go out and I don't want to have a whole lot of stuff on because I feel like it almost like it's too much, I mean, I went so many years of always wearing so many necklaces and things that it's actually it's different for me to not wear a lot. But I'm actually showing my arms, which is huge for me. It's not my normal, it's not my comfort zone. Even showing a little leg here, it's not my comfort zone. So that's big. So anyway, this is one way I would wear it, and then I have another way that it's sort of like my little thing that I just started doing, and I'll show you in a second here. So sit tight. Okay, so what I did was I took the skirt and I pulled it up, and I actually made it into like a strapless dress, and then I add a belt. So now the slit is even higher, shows a lot more of my calves, and it's actually like the right length. And it's just kind of wild how you can take something and make it into something else. And actually this fits better up here than down here. Like down here was actually kind of loose. I had it underneath the shirt. So it's just kind of like a fun little dress now. And this is just like it's a little ruffled cardigan that you kind of can tie like this. So if I wanted to be, you know, a little more modest, if I'm around relatives or something, I could do this and it looks like a cute dress. But then, you know, if I want to, you know, dancing at a wedding or something like that, you know, and then if it's, you know, want to do more kind of evening kind of look, then I have this whole strapless look. So yeah, so it's like one skirt all these different ways. And of course, if I was doing this, I would have a necklace on. So but let me know what you think. You like, yeah, the slit is a little higher, and probably with this I would have like either pumps or which I don't, the only pumps I have are really high and super spiky on those spikes all over them, and they wouldn't go with this. And then I have those strappy ones that I, like I said, I almost can fit into, but I can't fit into them yet. So but yeah, so this would be the look for the 98-degree hot summer or barbecue hot summer wedding, outdoor wedding. And then, you know, as it gets chillier in the night, or start out that way, start out more covered up as the champagne's flowing and dance floor, all that stuff, and then of course if it gets chilly later on, I put this back on. So anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know what you liked and which way you like best. I'm sure I'm gonna hear a lot of different opinions. So anyway, thanks so much for following. Thanks so much for all the great compliments and encouraging words. And I really appreciate the support. So thanks so much and have a great night. Take care. Thanks. Bye.